Introducing the unique multi-sharp 2-in-1 drill bit and tool sharpener. Now you can sharpen your drill bits and tools so they work the way they should. Simply fix the locating foot to your workbench. The sharpener attaches to your drill in seconds. And away you go. The precision guide sets the angle for accurate sharpening over the grinding wheels for the sharpest edge every time. HSS twist drill bits on the aluminium oxide wheel. Masonry bits on the silicon carbide wheel. Even complex wood bits. And also screwdrivers, cold chisels, and a whole range of small tools. Sharp drills and tools when you need them with Multi-Sharp, the sharpening specialist.
The Clark CBS 16 electric drill bit sharpener is the perfect tool to give those blunt drill bits a factory-fresh, razor-sharp cutting edge. If you've ever tried sharpening drill bits on a bench grinder, you will know how difficult it can be. Now, with the Clark drill bit sharpener, all your drills can have a clean, sharp cutting edge. It's quick and easy to use. The built-in drill bit guide ensures that you will always sharpen at the correct angle. It's suitable for all HSS drill bits from 3 to 10 mm diameter. Running at 1600 RPM, it won't overheat your bit, and the 70-watt motor is efficient to run. Why not sharpen up all your drill bits today with the Clark CBS 16 electric drill bit sharpener?